This is Clarvana. It's very sturdy gate. It's a walk-through baby gate that you can easily walk through, and it has a lot of breadth to it. It's 29 to 40 inches for any of those odd spaces that you need to keep free from dogs or just keep babies safe from certain areas. It's really, really nice. It comes in this dark, beautiful black color or white. Now this was provided for me for my honest review from Clarvana, and I really, really like it. It's very, very sturdy. Now it comes with a lot of braces that you can secure for feet, and you can also secure it to a wall if you choose to. And it has attachments to secure it on the ends where it can push against a wall if you choose to. I'm going to use it in an open fashion like this, but I'm going to put the feet on just to hold it in place. This is an odd space between a laundry room and a kitchen for me that I want to keep safe for baby. But the walk-through gate is very easy to handle with one hand, and I think this is a very well-made baby gate. It is a very safe gate. It's very strong steel, and it also has these incredible hinges that are really, really strong. All of that is put together in place before you open the box. The only thing that you have to do is decide where you want to secure it, and it has all the hardware for that. If you want it against a wall or with the ends attached to the wall, then you have hardware to do that, and then you have the feet that you can put in place when you decide where you want it to go. This is a very great piece. I highly recommend it. It is 30 inches high. It does come in this black or a lovely white as well. This is a great piece.